So this is how you can change the background of your image using Canva. First of all, you download the Canva app. After downloading, you open the Canva app. You're going to get this interface. So you tap on this plus sign below, the plus sign beside projects, that is in between projects and templates. You tap on it. You're going to see different post size here. So we're going to choose the Instagram post size. Let's work with the Instagram post size. So you can choose any post size you want depending on where you want to make your post. Okay, so for this tutorial we are going to be using the Instagram post size. So next we are going to do is we're going to tap on this plus sign again. So you tap on the plus sign, then we're going to select an image. So let's use this image. Add to page. Okay, so this is the image. Next we are going to click on this FX effect. So see the FX effect. After style, you see the FX effect. You click on it. Then you're going to see BG remover. So you tap on BG remover. So as you can see, we have changed the background of this shoe. So look at what we have here. So if you want, you can drag. If you want to drag from the side. Don't drag from the middle. Okay, you can drag so it will be bold enough. So if you want, you can change this white background to any other color you want. And see, we can make it this, and if you go down you can even see the product color. So if you want it, the background to be like the match with the product color or whatever you want, you can see many colors here. So you can choose any background color you want. Okay, I hope this helps.